Good morning, how are you? I'm fine, sir. Hey. Who dropped this?
Auntie said I should give it to you.
My wife?
Yes, sir.
Call her for me.
She sent for me.
Please, what's the meaning of this?
What's wrong with the list?
I gave you 200,000 naira 2 weeks ago to get all these things. So why are they on another list?
Why are you asking me those questions as if I took your 200,000 naira to do something else?
I am just asking because the things you bought 2 weeks ago would not have finished by now, so...
What is in this list? But you tell me, what is here? It's just 150,000 naira. What is there? Your cream is finished, mine too. The soap, the store is empty. We need to restock it. The kitchen, so many other things.
Babe, see. Since you started visiting your mother, your attitude has completely changed and I don't know why.
That was the point I was waiting for. Now you want to mention my mother. You know what? I now know how much you hate her. You can keep your money to yourself. Oh, please.
Babe?
Keep money to yourself.
How? Bags of rice again? 10 liters of palm oil again? Dry long stock. These are the exact things she bought 2 weeks ago. Now in a season or me here. And you want to know God. What?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.